Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK and welcome to another video of this Tableau interview ask scenarios. And let's start with the scenarios. So first we will connect the data, and for these scenarios we will use sample superstore data. Also, if you did not watch the previous video of this playlist, please go and watch that as well. Uh, it's a very important scenarios as interview perspective. So please go and watch the previous videos of as well in this playlist. So without wasting any time, let's start with the scenarios. So our first scenario is I want to find the difference between customer order days. Okay, so let's understand the scenario. The interviewer want to find the difference between customer order dates. Okay, like if I take customer name here, okay, then I will take order date and I will make it as exact date, and I will make it as discrete. So the interviewer wants the difference between these order dates of customer. Like what is the difference between 7 and 10 date? What is the difference between 22 and 35 2020? Likewise, interviewer wants to find the difference between these order dates of customers. So how we achieve this? So for this we need to write one calculation, and I will name it as difference between order dates. Okay, and with the help of date difference we will achieve this scenario. Okay, so in date difference we want to find the difference between days, and in lookup what we want to find minimum of order date of customer, order date of customer. Okay, comma, the offset is -1 because we want to find the difference between days. Okay, comma, minimum of order date. So let's understand the calculation. We have taken the date difference because we want to find the difference between days. The date part is day and the finding part is lookup. We want to find minimum order date and -1 offset. And in that offset, we want to find minimum order date. Okay. So let's click OK and apply this calculation. Let's take this into the rows. After taking this into the rows, let's make it as discrete. And now as you can see, we have find the date difference here. Like what is the difference? Sorry, there is no need to take it into the rows. You can directly take it into the text, and it will gives you the difference between customer order dates in the number of days. Like in 7/3/2020, like in 18 to 2020 to 7/3/2020, there is the 18 days of difference. Then between 7/3/2020 to 10/11/2022, there is 978 days difference. Likewise, you can find the each and every date difference of customers in this scenario. Okay, so that's it in this scenario. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment me in the section. I will definitely look at it. Let's move to the second scenario. That is find the customer names whose name starts with A and ends with S. Okay, so for that again we will take the customer name, and we want to find those customer whose name starts with A and ends with S. Like as you can see here, the customer name starts with A, Aaron, and ends with S, Hawkins. So likewise we want to find these customers. Okay, so again to achieve this scenario we need to write one calculation, and the I will name it as name start with A and ends with S. So in this scenario, actually we have an answer in this question itself, because we want to only use this starts with and ends with in the calculation as well. So let's write the calculation, and the calculation is the name. So starts with, so what is our string? So we want to find the customer name. So starts with customer name comma our substring is A. Okay, so it will gives us the customer name whose name starts with A. But we want to find as well like whose names ends with yes. So for that we will use and condition here, and the customer name whose names ends with customer name comma our substring is S. Okay, so the calculation is valid. Let's apply. Okay, take this into the filter, make it true, apply, and okay. So as you can see, this calculation gives us the customer names whose name starts with A and ends with S. So I hope you understand this scenario. If you want, you can check the calculation again. The calculation is very pretty simple. Starts with customer name A and ends with customer name S. Okay. So that's it in this scenario. I hope you understand this scenario. Let's move to the third scenario. That is create a parameter on region so that only the region related states cells are shown. Okay. So the questions are like looks difficult, but it's trust me, it's a very simple scenario. So for that, first we will create a one parameter. That is our parameter is region parameter. So let's create a region parameter first, and I will name it as select region. Okay, take the data type as a string, list, and add values from region. Okay, so it's a pretty simple parameter. Let's click on OK and show the parameter. Okay, so our parameter is here. Now the next step is take the states. So take the states and take these cells. So the interviewer wants, if I select central region, so in this view, I only see the central region states. If I select east region, south region, so it will shows me only the south region states and their respective cells. So for that you need to write one calculation field, that is, I will name it as suppose connect region with states. Okay, and the calculation is pretty simple. Region is equal to select region parameter. So it will create one boolean field, and it's a very simple calculation to connect the parameter with our region field. Let's click on apply. Okay, take this into the filter, apply true, apply, and okay. So as you can see, now I have selected the south here, so it will shows me only the south region uh, states and their respective cells. If I select central, it will shows me only the central region states and their respective cells. Likewise, if I select south, so it will shows me the south region and their respective cells. Okay, so that's it in this scenario. I hope you understand this scenario and this video. So if you like, please do like and subscribe for the channel if you like this video. And that's it in this video. Thank you guys.